Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and we are here to offer an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of March 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.92. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF experienced a loss of negative 1.40%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.28% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the lower end of a horizontal trend in the short term, typically indicating a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it breaks below the bottom trend line at $526.71, it would signal a strong sell and a shift in the trend may be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 0.568% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from minus 1.09% to plus 5.72%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 20.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 20.07% and 29.44% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price estimate between $635.77 and $685.39. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to sell candidate. The VOO ETF price increased by approximately 0.518% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of March 2025, rising from $526.76 to $529.49. During that day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.06%, with a low of $520.16 and a high of $530.87. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 4.04% during this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 485,000 shares, with a total of 7 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.55 billion. It is important to consider that decreasing volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.93. Currently, the price is 6.1%, or $34.41, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 experienced a notable weekly decline of 3.1%, marking its worst performance since September 2024. This downturn positions the index 6.09% below its record close from February, illustrating a challenging landscape for investors. Currently, the index is down 1.68% year-to-date, reflecting shaky market sentiment and raising concerns about potential further declines. On a different note, the impending inclusion of DoorDash, TKO Group, Williams-Sonoma, and Expand Energy into the S&P 500 on March 24 could stimulate increased demand for the index, as these stocks are anticipated to garner investor interest. Conversely, AppLovin is facing calls for exclusion due to serious allegations, which could unsettle investors and influence its stock performance. Additionally, recent weak jobs data has intensified speculation regarding potential rate cuts, further affecting index performance. The Federal Reserve's GDP Now data suggests a possible economic contraction in the first quarter of 2025, prompting a cautious approach among investors. Of particular note, Warren Buffett's exit from VOO, where he sold his position in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, raises important questions about the index's attractiveness and future growth potential. Critics, including Howard Marks, anticipate lower returns for the S&P 500 over the next decade, leading investors to consider alternative options such as credit. In the short term, these factors may contribute to increased volatility and uncertainty in VOO's stock price. Over the long term, the potential reshuffling of the S&P 500 and shifting investor focus could alter its composition and overall performance, making it crucial for investors to closely observe these developments. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 0.518%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The VOO ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the ETF. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $534.88 and $550.82. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at 526.76 cents. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the ETF moved $10.71, equating to 2.06% between its high and low. Throughout the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.23%. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for VOO is $530.5. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the ETF, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $526.76. Should this support level remain intact, it might serve as an ideal entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and as of now, no stop loss has been established. Is the VOO ETF a good investment? The VOO ETF shows several negative indicators and is currently in a downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this ETF has been adjusted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we expect VOO to open lower by $2.65, beginning at $526.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.